Hello friends. Let's meet the animals and learn their sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. First, the farm. This is the cow. The cow says, Moo. This is the sheep. The sheep says, Ba ba. This is the pig. The pig says, Oink oink. And this is the horse. The horse says, Neigh. Great. Now let's visit the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. This is the lion, the king of the jungle. The lion says, Roar. Look, a big elephant. The elephant says, Powoo. Here is the monkey. The monkey says, Ooh, ooh, ah. And a green snake. The snake says, SSSSSS. Wonderful. Let's dive into the ocean. Splash. We are under the sea. This is the whale, so big and blue. The whale sings, Woo. Look, a happy dolphin. The dolphin says, Ee. A little orange fish goes, Blub blub. And a red crab, click click with its claws. Amazing. Now, up to the sky. Look up. It's the birds. This is the owl. The owl says, Hoo hoo. Here comes the rooster. The rooster says, Cock-a-doodle-doo. A colorful parrot says, Hello. Squawk. And a little bird sings, Tweet tweet. Yay. You met so many animals. Now let's play a game. What sound does the cow make? Moo. Yes. What sound does the lion make? Roar. Amazing. And what about the owl? Hoo hoo. Perfect. You are so smart, friends. Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.